If you are having trouble adding a credit card to your Uber account, there are several possible reasons why this is happening. First, ensure that the credit card information you are entering is correct, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check that the name on the credit card matches the name on your Uber account. Another reason why Uber may not be accepting your credit card is that it has expired or has been canceled. If your card has expired, try adding a new credit card to your account. If your card has been canceled, contact your bank to see if they have placed any restrictions on the card. Your bank may also be blocking the transaction, so it is a good idea to contact them to see if they have any restrictions in place. Some banks have security measures that flag transactions from certain companies, including Uber. Additionally, Uber may not accept certain types of credit cards, such as prepaid cards or cards that are not issued by a major bank. If you are trying to add one of these types of cards, you may need to use a different payment method. To add a credit card to your Uber account, go to the payment section of the app and select Add Payment Method. Enter your credit card information and confirm that it is correct. If you are still having trouble, try restarting the app or contacting Uber support for assistance. It is also a good idea to check the Uber website for any information about accepted payment methods and any known issues with adding credit cards to accounts. By following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you should be able to add a credit card to your Uber account and start using the service.